Well, it's become a major trend when it comes to tying the knot. More and more couples from Winnipeg are choosing exotic locales for their weddings. Global's Lorraine Nickel has more on this desire for destination weddings.
After dating for 8 years, Haley and Jeremy will finally tie the knot next winter, but far away from this cold and snow.
We don't enjoy planning things. Like, I don't want to.
Stresses me out.
Yeah.
They're getting married under the hot sun in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. Destination weddings have become the latest trend in Winnipeg.
Every little girl dreams about what they want for their wedding, and it was always my dream to get married on a beach.
Last year, Jody Chance had that dream wedding, surrounded by 40 of her closest friends and family. It came at a fraction of the price she'd pay for a wedding here.
With the kind of wedding that I was looking at, I probably saved between 20 and 30 grand by going away on a destination wedding. We're getting married on an island for a quarter of that price, like even less than a quarter of that price, and it's going to be the most beautiful thing ever.
1 out of 4 weddings currently now are destination weddings.
Destination wedding specialist Bill Parisi has never been so busy. He says the wedding destination industry in Winnipeg is taking off.
Back when I booked destination weddings, it was maybe 3 a year. Now we're looking into the dozens. So the growth is just phenomenal.
It's not only the lower cost or the sandy beaches that attract couples. They like the bonus of a wedding planner taking care of all the details. All they need to do is show up with their guests.
This is more of a casual experience. It's stress-free, and it's something that is growing leaps and bounds.
A destination wedding can cost between $900 to $5,000.
It's more of a wedding week instead of just one day.
A week-long celebration sounds like paradise to Haley and Jeremy. Lorraine Nickel, Global News.